Hello friends, today we are going to install Visual Studio correctly. First, open your web browser. I will open Google Chrome. Uh, Search the word of Visual Studio. This is Visual Studio official website. This app is made by Microsoft Corporation. You can see details. This is need to this is need to many languages, computer languages. We can use this for C Sharp, Python, Java, etc. Especially I use this for C Sharp. Let's we can see how to install. You can see Visual Studio 2019. This is latest version. This is Visual Studio Code. This is not what I want thing. This is what I want thing. This has three options: community, professional, and enterprise. But we need community section. These two for these two we should pay, and I will download free download. This is a small exe file. I will click it and open. Double click and open your go to downloads and double click and uh, double click. You can see this message. Continue. This Visual Studio software has online installation, because don't disconnect your network connection. It is now installing our exe file. You can see our Visual Studio software is now opening. Uh, you can see different options. I mean, there are this Visual Studio use many purposes: C Sharp, Python, JavaScript, many computer languages. We can use this for many computer languages. You can see total space required 856 MB. I want to learn C Sharp only because I choose only this. You can see these are automatically selected. Don't change them. Uh, you can see total speed required 9.29 GB. If you download all of them, you should have to, you have you should have many data. I won't learn C Sharp because I download this section only. You can download this section. Um, Click install button. I earlier said this is online installation because don't turn off your because don't disconnect your network connection. You can see 2.29 GB now downloading. I think it will take more time. This download take more time because I will edit my video. After a long time, our Visual Studio is is installed. After installed, you can see this interface and this one. Today my network connection is very slow because it took nearly 4 hours to install. If you want to sing in, you can sing in, but I'm not singing now. Give not now and maybe later. I chose dark mode. It is good for your eyes. Now you can start Visual Studio. I think it will take few minutes. This is what our wanted thing for us. Now you can close this one. Now open your Visual Studio software. Press Windows key and Q letter. Search bar is there. I will search. This one is Visual Studio 2019. You can see this interface. I maximize this and we want to create new project. First you choose this one, create a new project, click it. Now we are going to set up this our project. You can see this icon is all languages, this one is all platforms, all project types is default.
but uh, I mainly use Visual Studio for study C Sharp because I will choose C Sharp. This is C Sharp. You can see other languages is available: C++, F Sharp, JavaScript, Python, etc. I mainly use Visual Studio for C Sharp because I will choose C Sharp, and all platforms I will choose. My operating system is Windows because I will choose Windows. You can see all project types. Give all project types. Sorry, new desktop. uh, you can see there are types of many types of these. Mm, wait, I want console. You can see console. You can see this word console. These are earlier versions. This is earlier C Sharp version. Uh, it 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 had run Windows operating system, but our new version is run Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Choose this, and you should choose console application. You can say C Sharp mark watermark. Give next button. uh, you can give file location. This if you type project name, automatically type solution name also. You can see I type on project name, automatically types solution name. You can give file location. I will create new folder in desktop. I will give name Visual C Sharp projects. I will select this folder, Visual Studio. Our project name, you can change our project name. I keep it this name, and you can change if you like to change. You can change this. Give next button, and press create button. It will take few minutes. Now creating our project. I earlier said this Visual Studio is we can use many computer languages, Python, C Sharp, F Sharp, JavaScript, etc. But now I created for C Sharp. Now I created this Visual Studio for C Sharp only. Now our Visual Studio is permanently settled. Uh, these are default. Uh, uh, Someone's have these 2 or 3 options. You should choose debug option. uh, this one is you should put any CPU. This is play button. You can type your C Sharp code and you can play this. Before play, you should save this program. You can save this program. Press Ctrl key and letter S, and you can play your C Sharp project. Okay friends, thank you.